Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today is another wonderful day, 21st August 2023 Monday. We wish on behalf of MST School of Trading to all our trading members to have a successful trading day today as well. Okay, last 2 days we have not released any video. So let us see the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 advanced price action based premium tool. I always emphasize that this is not an indicator, rather it is a tool. So what a tool will do, it will give a support. It will easier your task. If you are doing a task for 1 hour, you can do the same task with the help of tool in just 1 or 2 minutes. Similarly, this tool will help you to complete your task easier than what you were doing previously. Now coming back to our setting, what is our initial settings? Our initial settings is very easy. What you have to do? One thing you have to make you have to create a free trading account, free TradingView account by going to www.tradingview.com. For the referral, you can ask us in Telegram or in WhatsApp. So we will send our referral link so that you will get more beneficial. After subscribing, after having created a free account in a TradingView account, then you have to go to the indicator settings. Where is the indicator? Here is the indicator. See, I have kept the cursor on the indicator. It will show you indicators, metrics and strategies. And once you go there, just give a click on it. After that, scroll down to favorite, my scripts, technicals, financials, community scripts, and finally you will reach the place where we wanted to reach. That's invite only scripts. In invite only scripts, after having subscribed to our indicator, whatever you have subscribed, that will be available in this invite only scripts only. So now you select MST iCore 2.0 ATS by MST School of Trading. Once if you give a single click on it, automatically it will be appearing onto your chart. Okay, I have done twice, so it has come 2 times. So I will remove one thing. So now it is in default settings. What happened yesterday, you will see, day before yesterday we got sell entry, perfect buy, we got full target. Again buy entry, we got target. So yesterday buy entry was continued today also. Yesterday buy entry continued for yesterday, next day also. So now yesterday, if we see only for exclusively yesterday, we had no entries yesterday in Bank Nifty. Neither it has reached the sell zone nor it has reached the buy zone. But as per our R3C pattern, we have got a perfect sell entry as well as the perfect buy entry. But as per this naked strategy, no buy entry nor buy entry, no buy entry or sell entry we have got yesterday. So no trading zone yesterday. Now coming back to our other scripts, one in MCX we can see crude oil. What happened to crude oil yesterday? Let us see. See, we are always emphasizing, if buy activated there is no sell, if sell activated there is no buy. So don't forget this concept. So yesterday what happened? Yesterday our sell entry was at 6721. See the high 6723. So perfectly we have got the sell entry and all the targets have been hit. So once sell activated, we have to remove the buy. So go here, go to the settings, enable the sell targets, also enable second buy targets. Why? If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Don't ever forget. So if you want, you can enable extra targets, 1 or 2 targets you can extend, so that you will get some extra profit. Otherwise you can do 1:2 ratio also. Okay. So now perfectly from sell target to 5 targets exactly done. Exactly done. After that it has reversed back and it has given the second buy targets. Second buy targets. Don't ask me why here it is not giving the target, because we have taught you that the method. Always you have to trade with the first entry. If first entry is missed, then you have to look for the R3C pattern. Okay. Here in 15 minutes also we have got the R3C pattern here. Once this high is broken, we have to go for the buy entry. Here also we have got the R3C pattern. Once high is broken, we have to go for the buy entry. Once low is broken, we have to go for the sell entry. For more details, you can watch our exclusive video on R3C. So hope the concept is very clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us on the given numbers 9500009154 in WhatsApp. Once all your doubts are clarified through WhatsApp texting by our executives, then you can contact us for subscription. Please don't ask for any trial or monthly subscription. We are giving you from quarterly subscription mode only. That means only 3 months onwards we are having the subscription plans. Why? Because we want to make you a professional trader. It is not a matter of money, just getting some amount from you and putting into your pocket. But we really want you make as a professional trader. So we want to give you a perfect training, okay, and practice. Without a practice, whatever tool you are having, it is just another wastage. If you are having a practice with a single tool, no one can beat you in this world. So that is why we are planning to give you training with a minimum 3 months plan. Okay. Also we are giving double offer. 3 months means extra 3 months we are giving, so that you will not face any financial difficulties to get our tools. Thank you all. Bye bye. And once again we wholeheartedly thank you all the YouTube subscribers for subscribing to our YouTube channel and joining our Telegram channel. One more thing I will explain you. We had given you 2 more indicators as complementary for MST iCore 2.0, but in both of the indicators there were some same features were available. So what we did, we just combined the MTF iCore and iTrend 2.0 into iTrend 2.0. So now both the indicators will be having, the single indicator will be having the features of both the indicators. Okay. So now if you see only 3 lines, you will be getting, this is the high, this is the low, and this is the midpoint. If you want the other features, go to the settings, you can enable whatever you want. If you want today's CPR, you have to enable today's CPR. If you want to find weekly CPR, then you can find. If you want what is our tomorrow CPR, then select here tomorrow high, today high, today low, and today close. If we select this, automatically tomorrow CPR will be found. Automatically tomorrow CPR, this is the tomorrow CPR, that will be found. And if you want to enable previous day close, that you can enable here. If you want to find this particular session high and low, so 9:15 to 9:20 for something, okay, 9:15 to 9:30 suppose say, if you want to find out, that you can do. So after selecting the session timing, come here and select session high and session low. Automatically your high low will be marked here, also midpoint also will be marked here. After that, what the other option we have given, previous week high and low, previous weekly CPR, previous week close. So you have previous week high and low, close, and CPR, monthly CPR, monthly high and low, once monthly close. And here we have given support and resistance. Support and resistance. If you want camerella, you can use this camerella. This is standard pivot, and this is Fibonacci pivot, and this is our customized MST pivot. So whichever you want, that you can give as the input, then automatically the system will compute the support and resistance. And this is dynamic support and resistance based on the higher high and lower low of the intraday trading. And we have given moving averages here. So it was given already in the MST iCore 2.0. So since we have added some more features in that indicator, there were no space given. That's why we have changed into iTrend 2.0. And if you are a trader to trade based on the moving average crossover, that option also we have given. So in the previous moving average, just to give whatever moving averages you wanted to give. After that, you enable this. Whenever there is a crossover occurs, automatically buy and sell signals will be appearing here. See here, sell signal has come, and it also come below our CPR. So there is a perfect entry here, that also you can consider. So hope the method is very clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us, and please keep sharing our YouTube channel to all your trading members and whoever wants to make career in this stock market trading. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.